So today I went and took a look at a 2020 Toyota Supra, the GR Launch Edition. It was 510 out of 1500 made. There's only 1500 made. The GR stands for Gozu Racing. I believe I'm pronouncing that right. I could be wrong. The car itself weighs a little over 3,300 pounds. With a young guy like me, like 3,600 pounds. Horsepower is right at 335. Torque's at 365. Yes, I have notes down here. That's what I'm looking at. It's powered by a 3.0 liter turbocharged inline six. It's a 8-speed automatic with the paddle shifters, of course. 0 to 60s, a 3.9 with a boasting 12.5 second quarter mile at 111.2 miles per hour. And its lateral grip is just insane. It's hitting 1G, which is pretty fast for the money, I think, because when I think of something that fast, I'm thinking McLaren, GTRs, anything of that sort. It has a 24-second figure 8 time, which that puts it right next to the Aston Martin Vantage, the one you've seen in some of my other videos, as well as puts it right next to the Jaguar F-Type, the SVR edition. This one that we looked at is for sale right now. It's going for $69,000. And I mean, that's a good deal, I think, because if you're looking at cars within the $60,000 to $90,000 price range, obviously depending on it, if it's new or used, you're looking at like a Jaguar F-Type, just the base model, BMW M4s, Lexus, the GSF, and all those cars they're all really nice, they're all really good, but I definitely think for the money, this thing is pretty nuts. Like, you're gonna see it in the video, you're gonna see the acceleration, you're gonna hear it, you're gonna hear the flyby, and just see the whole walk around as I go around the car. I didn't really talk too much about the car like in person because I was trying to go for more of a cinematic stuff, so that's kind of why I'm here now talking about it, giving you guys the facts and specs. But yeah, it has 2,000 miles. Again, it's 510 out of 1500 made. The launch edition Supra, it's for sale. Now let's get to the video. Let's see this car in action. Let's see this walk around. I'm sure a lot of you guys have already seen a lot of footage on this car. This is a very popular car, blew up at SEMA. Everyone and their mother had one, but this was my first in-person with the car, like first time really seeing it, first time sitting in it. I did see one at the Toyota dealership when I went and was doing the Aston Martin trade-in video. Look at BMW. What the?